So hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at Bitcoin or BTC. Still ranked at number one with a market cap at the time of making this video about $731 billion, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $20.54 billion, and today we are looking at our 2024-2025 bull run weekly update, right? We have this update where we have made a price prediction and we are studying to see how prices move over the week, right? Last month, we basically saw, or this month of November, we have seen the prices of Bitcoin move about 24.1%. And last week, we saw another 2% push to the upside, right? And so, without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So, we are on the chart right here for Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin versus the USD dollars. We're the 3 days time frame, and we are using the coin market cap chart, right? Because the coin market cap chart goes as long as possible. First thing we were seeing on the channel was our price prediction for Bitcoin. We're having our price prediction for Bitcoin. We said minimum in the next bull run, we are expecting the 1.618, and so we capped and we said we could see prices right there at the $98,000 level right there for Bitcoin, right? So we said Bitcoin could be around that 98,000 to 100,000 right there in the 2024-2025 bull run. And basically just looking at where we are currently and to just see what probably could happen. We have seen in this year of 2022 the rally for Bitcoin from the lows of about 15,300. We saw that huge rally to the upside, and we have gone past above this major resistance of about 31,477, right? Our next major resistance is right there at the 42,400, and is very likelihood that we could see prices push into that $42,000 level right here for Bitcoin, probably before even December. And one of the reasons is that basically, if we just bring our oscillators, right, drawing our oscillators, we could see that one of the major levels for the RSI is the $93 level. That has been one of the highest level right there for Bitcoin. As you can see, we touched it right there in the bull run. That was the peak, or that was very close to the top, right? Touched it once, right? Came back and touched it again, and then we began to form lower highs right there on the RSI, right? So, and as you can see, right, same thing with the last bull run, right? We saw prices pushing to that level in 2017, touched it right there. That was our highest point, and then we formed another lower high in the RSI and began to come right back down. Currently, we haven't touched that level, so we still have a higher probability of seeing prices still see another push to the upside into that $42,000 level, right? So that is the level we are expecting, as we are very close to it. Probably that's just another, let's see, 16% to the upside right here for Bitcoin, right? So that is something we could see right here for Bitcoin, and then we could even probably push back down to this 31,000. Very possible right there for Bitcoin. Our stochastic is still seeing this sort of a sideways price action, right? A gearing for another move. But as you can see, just based on the levels alone, right, we could see that by the next bull run, having that 98,000, it's not something that is out of the books, right? So we could see prices before the end of the year get to these 42,000, right? So that is what we should be expecting for this year, at least minimum. To see prices push to these 42,000, probably even happen in this November right here, right? So that is the bull market update. Remember, we're expecting the 98,000 to 105,000 for the next bull run, and for this bull run we should see prices push into these 42,000 before we could see any other reversal to the downside, right? So that is what we're expecting basically right there for uh this year, right? Basically the, let's see this, the 42,000, is what we are expecting right here for the price of Bitcoin, right? So that's the update right here for Bitcoin as regards to BullRun. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.